Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Mexican pickled onions. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need about 2 large red onions, 1 cup of white vinegar, and a half cup of water. Also, prepare a clean, sterilized jar. Thinly slice your onions, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick, which helps them absorb the flavors beautifully. This initial preparation is key for a successful batch. Next, let's craft the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir in 2 teaspoons of sugar, which balances the tanginess. Now, add your favorite spices. A pinch of dried Mexican oregano and 1 or 2 bay leaves work wonderfully. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes to infuse the flavors. Now for the assembly. Carefully pack your thinly sliced red onions into the clean, sterilized jar. Make sure they are snug but not overly compressed. Then, slowly and carefully pour the hot pickling liquid over the onions. Ensure all the onion slices are completely submerged in the brine. This is crucial for proper pickling. Seal the jar tightly with its lid and let it cool down completely to room temperature on your counter. Once cooled, transfer your jar of Mexican pickled onions to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to chill and marinate for at least 24 hours before enjoying. These delicious pickled onions will keep well in your refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks, maintaining their crisp texture and vibrant flavor. They are perfect for adding a tangy kick to tacos, tortas, or even a simple salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.